Welcome to Qualvision. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set automatic network replenishment function on NVRs. Stay with us. What is ANR? NVR will send a heartbeat detection signal to IP camera every 1 second. IP camera will automatically start TF card recording in case of network failure. The footage will be auto-sent back onto the NVR once the network recovers. This working process is called automatic network replenishment. To implement automatic network replenishment, make sure you have installed the TF card on the camera, connected IP camera to the NVR, and installed hard disks in the NVR. If the TF card is not formatted, you can log into IPC Web, Setup menu, Recording Settings, Storage Manager, and click Format. The IP camera has started recording on the NVR through hard disk management and recording schedule setup. In Schedule, check ANR to set the automatic network replenishment function for the current camera. With Copy To, you can enable the ANR function for other channel cameras. When the setup is complete, the lost video due to network interruption will be synchronized back to the NVR by ANR, and can be played back normally as an event in the playback. ANR footage is available through Backup Event by selecting the type ANR. Finally, you need to note that ANR supports up to 24 hours of network disconnection. Make sure the TF card has enough capacity during the disconnection period without being overwritten by the video. Thank you for watching. Secure our life through Qualvision.